Dad, Mom, Elizabeth, little Paul, Luca, Grandma, and then Papili, Tom, Elise, and Manon. I think that's everyone. Oh wait, no, the guitar teacher and the school teacher too. Okay, that's quite a list. Deep breath, I can do this. I can do this. And so can you. Let's start with something essential, a big cup of hot tea, because we're about to dive into my magical sewing bag full of free patterns and tutorials. It is packed like Santa's sack, and this year it's literally overflowing, so let's begin with Ellie. Easy, she has been eyeing my large lunch bag ever since I released the tutorial, and since she, like me, carries half her fridge to work, just in case, I know this gift will be a big hit. All the free patterns and tutorials I mentioned are linked below the video. So Ellie, big lunch bag, I'm sure she's gonna love it. That's one down, check. And next up, Dad, another simple choice, a car hanging basket. It will help him keep his car tidy. Maybe I will pick a slightly more subtle fabric print though, although who knows, he might actually like it. I will let him choose a few options, but he will not discover what I decided until Christmas morning. Dad, check. And now, Amstramgram, piqué, piqué, collégramme, bourré, bourré, ratatam, Amstramgram, mistram. Ah, the guitar teacher. She's young and fun, so of course there will be chocolates. And I will also make her a magic scrunchie so she can tuck away little secrets, or simply her coins and keys or guitar picks. And speaking of guitars, listen carefully. I love giving gifts to the people who take such wonderful care of our children. And for the school teacher, it took me a moment to decide, but an eco bag he can fold into his school bag will be perfect for quick grocery stops before heading home for a well-deserved rest. And now for little Paul, forgive me my friends, but I do have to speak French so he gets the message.
À nous deux, petit Paul, tu es de toutes les aventures et tu avances dans la vie avec la détermination d'un lion et l'excitation d'une... je ne sais plus. Mais attention, n'oublie pas ton snood. Ultra moelleux et recouvert d'animaux féroces, il éloignera les monstres, les pirates, les bachibouzouk et autres mollusques féroces et surtout les coups de froid.
Alright, now Grandma's gift. It's one of my favorite beginner-friendly projects. 10 minutes and it's done. Well, 10 minutes after you clear the table, set up the machine, press the fabric. Yes, we do press fabric on this channel. Anyway, we are making new cushion covers to brighten Grandma's living room without spending much. Indeed, it's a very simple and quick way to change things a little, and it's so easy to make. So, new cushion covers, check. Now, Mom. Well, yes, I'm sewing a gift for myself, a true classic entirely handmade just for me. After all, why should shoemakers have bad shoes? And why should seamstresses be the last ones to enjoy their own creations? So this year, I'm treating myself. I'm going to follow my own tutorial to sew my own pie carrier, which I'll then place neatly in my own cupboard, and later I'll bake my own pie and enjoy my very own slice. No sharing with the kids? Not this time. No. Well, yes. From pie carriers to bowl covers, a perfect transition to Papili, which is a sweet little nickname for grandpa in French. Papili is always busy in the kitchen, making jams, drying fruits, cracking nuts, and testing new recipes, just for the pleasure of creating something delicious. He always has a pot simmering, something cooling, or a new idea in mind. So reusable bowl covers will be absolutely perfect for him, and the best part is he can choose whichever size he likes. And you can too. All the sizes are included in the free pattern, and all the tutorial and free patterns links are of course just below the video. Now let's talk about Luca. He can choose both the size and the fabric for his large storage bag. Between his student room and his weekends at home, he'll be able to carry his laundry, store his pillows, or take his duvet to the laundromat. No more excuses for this brilliant but terribly lazy teenager. Time to find those missing socks, sort summer and winter clothes, and maybe one day find his desk again. Let me know in the comments if you think he will. I'm not convinced. My friends, we are almost there. I just have 3 cousins left to sew for, 3 different personalities, 3 very distinct little energies, but one thing in common, they do grow so quickly. And luckily, my multi-size vest pattern from age 3 to 10 can follow them year after year. I can change the fabrics, adjust the colors, and keep the comfort, and make sure their little vest is something they can wear every single day, and above all, something they can put on by themselves. Can their little hands open it? Yes, and can those same little hands close it without looking? Not bad. Simon says, lean forward. Simon says, hands behind your back. Simon says, flap like a bird. Simon says, turn slowly. Hop and turn. Eliminated. My friends, that's the end of this video. I truly hope it has inspired you, given you ideas, and made you want to sew some of these projects yourself. And if you'd like to give me a little gift, remember to leave a comment under the video. I love chatting with you, and it also helps YouTube share my work with even more people. Bye bye. À bientôt.